Hi, Marilyn. I got your email about the screen matrix, and I think I know what you mean. Um, I'm just going to walk you through how I got to it and what I did with it, just to make sure it's clear. Do this in a quick 2 minutes. So, from the job screen, I'm here. I clicked Manage Jobs Title, and from here, what I actually did is I clicked on Review Notes. That's super clear. And where I found it was in this area here. This is where Connie has all the exchange notes with all the candidates and all the work that she did. So in here, you have to actually click on the little paper clip to get to the item. It's kind of, I mean, you should be able to click here, you would think, but no, you have to actually click on the paper clip. And this just opened up in Excel. And so here it is. Here are the patrons. Here are the candidates down here in alphabetical order. And so I just kept this open in one window and looked at the documents in another because I have two screens. Let me show you here. I had to click Enable Editing as well. So I hope I'm not over-explaining. This might be totally easy for you. So the areas that you'll need to change, the red typeface is dynamic. So what I did here, for example, depending on how I felt about the candidate is, I just changed it to either any one of those categories. Let's just say I said no to this person. Actually, I don't remember what I said. So if I do that there, that's made some changes without me even hitting save yet. As I add scores, that will tally things up. And, I had to remind myself that some of these had double weight. So even though I put like a 1 there, I gave the person a score of 2. And I just realized I probably did that kind of wacky. I did add one set of review notes here. But what that does is, so even with just that one change, if I bring up this Excel sheet a little bit, there we go. If I click on Summary, I can see that this has already been changed here to my response to this candidate in the notes from the any notes I had in their score that was added there. And so what I did in my case is I actually completed all this. I saved this as a document just to my desktop and titled it Ray Scoring Matrix Part-Time Library Assistant, and I sent that as an attachment to Connie, so which seemed the easiest to me. So anywho, so I hope that makes sense, and maybe way more information than you needed, but here you have it. Okay, take care. Thank you again.